So today is Earth Day, and so I thought we would do an Earth Day craft. So we're going to make our own Earth picture. So this one we will be using from your kit, the blue and green paint, the paper plate, the black construction paper, the plain white paper, and you should have some stars. You should have 3 or 4 stars in there. So we're going to use these. So the first step, I'm just going to set this stuff aside. We're going to take our plate and we're going to turn it upside down. It's a little glary in here from the sun. So we're going to use the bottom of the plate. So just this circle here. So first of all, we're going to take our blue paint. We're going to take our blue paint and we are just going to put some paint on the bottom. We can do dots, we can do swirls, whatever you like. Not a whole lot because we're going to use this as a print. Okay. So next we're going to take our green paint. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to shake this one out. We're going to do the same thing, just kind of go in, make some swirls, a couple dots here and there. So when you're doing this with your child, you can hold them up and say which one is blue or which one is green. Work on a bit of color recognition. You can do it hand over hand. So we're going to take this. So now would be a good time to just pause and do this step and then come back. So if you have the paint on your plate, we're going to take our white paper. We are going to flip it upside down onto the paper and press, and we're going to just turn it. Turn it in a circle. And then we're going to lift it up, and we have made our earth. So if you really want to, if you have more paper, because there's still a lot of paint on here, you could probably make a couple more. So let's see. This one, press it all down. Give it a bit of a swirl and lift. See how many we can make here. See if I can make a third one. It's a little harder to turn it on this third one. Ooh, that one looks neat. Okay, so do that, and we're going to have to let this dry. So once the paint dries, we'll come back and I'll show you the rest. Okay, so we've painted our earth, and I have a few here. So they're not all dry. The first one has lots of paint, so it's still a bit wet. So I'm just going to cut this one out because it is dry. I mean, the other option you could do is cut out the one on your paper plate too. You just pick whichever one you think looks the best. So I'm just going to cut this out so you can have your child do this. Doesn't need to be perfect. So you can have them help. or you can simply do this on your own and have your child assist with the next step. So we have got our earth cut out. Okay, so now I'm just going to set these aside. We're going to take our black construction paper that was in your package and our earth, and we're going to glue it on. So I have a glue stick here. If you don't have glue, if you have tape, whatever works that you have at home. I don't think I remembered to put glue in the learning packages. So we'll take our earth and we're going to put some glue on the back. Okay, and you can stick it anywhere you want. I'm going to kind of do mine over on the side. So we have our earth, so then we're going to take our star stickers. Some have some gold or some silver, whatever's in your package. You're going to peel the back off, and you can have your child help you stick them on. Or if they can do it themselves, you can hand it to your child. They can stick it on themselves. Wherever you want. And the other option, if you want to add some more, if you have a marker or a white crayon or silver crayon, I have this gold marker here, so you could draw some stars on, color them in. You can just do them this way. I don't know if that's showing up very well, but you can add some little stars here and there. And there you have a nice planet Earth for Earth Day. I would love to see your Earth Day pictures if you do this at home, so feel free to send me a picture in our inbox or just comment underneath the post.